Ngithe start imoto wena. Hayi khula lisho lishi. Nkosi yami. Awe gents. Going to Lens right now. We have to buy some parts. Even the tire was splitting you, campaigning, no. So people, we're going to Lens right now. We have to buy some parts. To buy some gaskets and bearings. Yeah, a few things I'm gonna show you. It is what it is. Jojo, I'm scared now. Yeah.
Bra, you fucking Kumbis is so low, bra. This guy thinks his Kumbis is low, bra.
This one?
It's not low. See how is he driving? It's going so.
Even now.
Check here.
Even this guy is lower than him.
Exactly.
And he's just passing now.
What shit is this?
No, but I understand. He's used to low cars. Yeah. Even now when I drive and it's a 4x4, I still do the same things that I do with my car.
Okay. In front.
Yeah. But you're driving straight.
Hey! You push, man.
Hey.
He's in a hurry to do those things. It's Friday. He's in a hurry. Mary's waiting for you.
Stancenation.
It's a kakumbi, this, bro. It's not even a fucking Toyota. Yeah.
Which one? This car's here.
I know this car. The shit there by my place. And me.
No. I think the only time that your face was visible when we were doing the towing then.
Yeah?
Yeah. Then when we were fixing there's only half of your face from your face from the side. Jesus, I know this place.
You know this place?
Yeah.
Where have you been here by this place?
I think I was working. There was some scam company I was working for. Guys, these are the samples there, and I've already bought there, but I'm gonna show you everything when we get in the house. Okay guys, I'm also gonna tell you in terms of how much everything cost. Yeah, just make sure that you watch up until the end of the video. Thank you, gents. Mind you that is we are not done. We still have a lot of things to do, but yeah, I'm gonna give you the summary of the things that I bought there in the car. But yeah, definitely the boy is coming back to life because of since in Moshe riding, I just I'm doing engine overhaul, so I wanna replace everything there so that like I go be inking. So like when you replace everything, you know that you're not gonna be in any issue. Like your engine is your gearbox is 100%, your tires perfect, everything is perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I know the engine series is taking longer than I expected, but guys, trust me, if you are also doing your car, you must do what I'm doing, making sure that everything is fixed. Don't leave something, because of that one second-hand part is gonna affect the other parts. Then you still have to redo the engine again. So yeah guys, I'm gonna let you know when I get to the house. Away. Yeah, but yeah, so ngizokhuluma nani mangifika la endlini. The car is coming nicely. If you're new and you love Stance, just make sure that you like and subscribe. So yeah, on the previous video I was buying parts, yeah, and I'm just gonna show you the progress that I've made so far, a couple of things, and now I'm still gonna buy other parts. I think I need to buy oil pump, yeah, Need to buy oil pump. What else am I gonna buy? I'm not sure, but yeah, just gonna see when I get there, because of I need a couple of things, but the money will tell me if am I gonna be able to buy all of those things there.
Stop lying to your parents.
I'm not lying, I'm telling the truth here. Yo, guys, subscribe, simple and easy. Subscribe, not if. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, just make sure that you subscribe. Let's go. Okay,
Yeah?
yeah.
You want to still spray or what?
Spray the.
Spray the block or what? What do you want to do? It's hard for this mess in the bin.
So are you asking because of you wanna put it back in? Yeah.
Yeah, you think about it and you tell me.
Okay. No, I'm just gonna look at it when we come back, and if I see that okay, it needs some spraying, maybe silver paint or black.
At that one we make it black.
Black.
At that one it wants black there.
Okay. Sorted. So this is water, whatever. Thermostat. Okay. I didn't know. Now I know.
The thermostat.
Guys, I'm not a mechanic, as I said.
I'm not sure if we can get you think we must get a bell, so let's just see how much the service kit comes out to, no?
Then if there's still money, then we can try and add something to get by also.
Yeah, now the main thing is the push rod kit.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah. This guy is what?
It's a truss plate.
Okay. I think you are eating too much. I see your belly there, my brother. You eating too much, you.
Make the style for a Kohli, bro. I'm broke, bro. And
Siafan, we are the same. Yo.
Make the style there.
I'll make a plan.
That thing already organized. Remember that gear where the screw was bent?
Yeah.
It's on already.
It's on.
Bought another one. I bought one for you.
We are ready. Danko, we going. Masbo.
I already bought it for you, that thing, so you don't have to give me anything on it, nah?
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh, you smoking bad, eh? You like to smoke, ne?
You know.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a headache, man. You're gonna make a Kohli there for me.
Yeah.
Make a Kohli.
You want it now?
Yeah. When we're going home.
Yeah.
I must put on my overall. For the oil pump and the engine mounting, whatever that needs to be fitted, they will fit. Okay,
so what can we do now is let me take the hubby there by my place, and I need the vase from Kutlwano that I left it there, and I need to change this because of if oil gets I know it's dirty now, but oil doesn't get out. Yeah.
But you must remember, now it's no more dirty now anymore. The dirt is gone.
Okay. So we can make nice now.
Yeah, we're gonna work nice, bro. Obviously your hands will be dirty. Not get ugly dirt, man.
Yeah.
Don't be bad.
Okay. No, I just need the hubby and just only I need that, I think. Even though I'm hungry, but I'm gonna see later there.
Why don't you buy yourself a water? Me, I'm hungry. You can buy for yourself.
Just I don't have cash. I've only money in the card there. I don't know if they tap. Okay, so guys, we bought a couple of things here. Let me show you. There's an engine mounting that I bought. I'll show you now. There's a mounting that I bought. So yeah, bought the engine mounting. Then here, let's show you what did I buy. Here is the oil pump. I don't know if you guys can see oil pump here. And there's a few things that I also bought. we bought also the rod for the engine here. Motor the thrust and also the clutch thrust here. And what else did we buy? Yeah, and the rod bush. Let's see what else. And also there's this seal here. Don't know if you all can see. Yeah. Okay. So okay, as you can see, like everything has been cleaned, even though there's a bit of rust here. Let me see. Yeah, this I'll paint it now. Otherwise the car is looking clean, a bit clean compared to before. I'll show you the before of the video, but yeah, you can see the car is looking clean. Even here at the top, here there's rust, a bit of rust, but yeah, anyways, the car is looking nice, guys. It's looking nice. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So yeah, just stay tuned. Then I think I'm not sure if we're gonna start with the engine or the block, but I think we're gonna start with the.
Where are you going?
I'm here. I'm this side. Yeah. I'm here this side. Yeah. I think we're gonna start with Wait, Rico, you said we're gonna start with what you call, with the block, ne? First.
Here's the block here.
So we're gonna rearrange everything while it's there, ne?
Yeah, when it's there.
Then I don't know when. Then we're gonna put it there, ne? And put it here. I don't know when.
Maybe by tomorrow it should be in there.
Oh, hence you were asking me if will I be available tomorrow.
Where did you put the parts?
The here. I didn't break them.
Give me that mounting, please.
No, I was showing my people in sense of what did I buy and stuff, so that they know the progress.